Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of checking the voters list for 2025 on the official website of the Election Commission of Kerala, esekkerala.gov.in. Ensuring that your name is on the voters list is essential for participating in the upcoming elections, and we're here to help you navigate this process smoothly. Step 1. Visit the official website. Start by visiting the official website of the Election Commission of Kerala at esekkerala.gov.in. Make sure you type the URL correctly to avoid any confusion. Step 2. Locate the voters list section. Once you are on the home page, look for the voter information or voters list section. This section is usually prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select the voters list option. In the voter information section, you will find several options related to voter services. Look for the option that mentions Voters List or Check Your Name in Voters List and click on it. Step 4. Choose the relevant district. You will be prompted to select your district from a drop-down menu. Carefully choose your district, as this will help you find the correct voters list. Step 5. Enter required details. Next, you need to enter the required details, such as your name, age, and any other information requested. Ensure that the information you provide matches your official documents to avoid discrepancies. Step 6. Submit the information. After filling in your details, double-check to ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to proceed. Step 7. View your voter status. Upon submission, the website will display your voter status. You can check if your name is listed on the voters list for the year 2025. If your name appears, congratulations, you are eligible to vote. If not, follow the instructions for voter registration. Step 8. Take necessary actions. If you did not find your name on the voters list and wish to register, navigate back to the home page and look for the citizen registration option. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your registration process. That's it. You've successfully checked your voter status and learned how to register if necessary. Ensuring your participation in the electoral process is vital, and we hope this guide helps you do just that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more informative content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.